Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing great. I'm so glad, I'm so happy to see you all once again. In this lecture, we're going to discuss about what is cloud-based wireless controller. That is a good question, and I like this question as well. And I would like to go with more details. What is cloud-based wireless controller? Guys, as you witness that we have a local area network wireless controller, and these are the access points, right? So what is the main purpose of wireless local area network? The main purpose of wireless local area network controller is that we have one wireless controller in our data center, or we can say in our server room. So once we log into that specific wireless controller, we can control the entire of our wireless access point, which is connected to that wireless controller. So now we have a similar scenario on the cloud. So on the cloud, we have a cloud-based wireless controller. What is the cloud-based wireless controller and how they can achieve these kind of things? It is very simple. Into the nutshell, guys, they have a server on the cloud. They have a server on the cloud. For example, you have to have a username and password. You have to create a profile. Once you create a profile, log into this server, and they will provide hardware as well. So each devices, we can say, is a wireless controller. This one is also wireless controller. This is also wireless controller as well. So once you log into the wireless controller, you probably need to type here serial number or the model number of this access point. It automatically connect with the server, which is on the cloud. Once you connect this one to on the cloud, and you connect, for example, let's say that this is in the United States, this one is in Afghanistan, and this one is in India. So once you introduce this one to the server, introduce this one to server, introduce this one to server, now you have one cloud-based controller. With the help of, once you log in, you type your username and password, for example, from anywhere. Once you log into this server on the cloud, you can easily configure these all wireless access point. So before we had on-premises wireless controller, but now we have a cloud-based wireless controller. So the concept is same. The way that you configure wireless controller is almost the same. For example, once you log into this access point, this wireless controller, it does come wirelessly with the wireless access point as well. Once you log into this one, you can control, you can do the MAC filtering, you can configure any types of, whether you're configuring 802.11 AC or 802.11 AX, it doesn't matter, but it depends on which kind of hardware that you purchase. So the question is, do you think we can use a random wireless access point? Of course no, because if you purchase any types of the product, for example the cloud-based, you cannot find all of the company that provide the cloud-based wireless controller. You can find some of the companies that provide wireless controller on the cloud. So you have to have their product. Once you purchase from this one, they will definitely give you which kind of access point you need, which capacity of wireless access point you are looking for. And once they found that what you are looking for, then you can purchase a wireless access point which is only dedicated for that specific cloud-based wireless controller. So alright, I hope the concept is clear now. And of course you guys know that it's on the cloud. You can go in any places, sit in the coffee bar and get inside the console and control the entire wireless controller easily, because it's on the cloud, but the console is configured in every offices globally, in any places that you have installed. Okay, I hope the information was very helpful. If you think it was very helpful, what are you waiting for, guys? Go ahead and subscribe my channel. Until next time, stay safe, be brave, and of course, see you guys next time.